So today we're going to be painting all this roofing material. Just want to get all the crud off. Hey, happy 4th. Just wanted to show you my setup here. Basically, actually, if you can just bring them, I'll put them down. Okay. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be painting all this roofing material. We've got 6 panels. No, 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. I think 6 panels to paint. So first we're going to clean, and then we're going to prime, flip them over, paint again, or prime again, and then paint with the color, both steps. I'm going to lay them out here. This is going to be another project of mine, a sunroom, which is right now unfinished, but you'll see it finished in a future set of videos. But for now, yeah, let's bring all these here and then prime. These were on the bottom, so they're much cleaner. This one was on the top, so it's dirty, so it's going to require a little bit more prep. I think I need to space these out a little bit more so I can walk between them. I think I can scooch this over here. There you go. Now I got access to all of them. Okay, let's clean these up now. Okay, let me try and get over here. Okay, this one's way dirty. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this with something wet, not just dry. Okay, first pass. Just want to get all the crud off. Let's do this one too. Okay, I'm gonna cheat a little bit. I got my friend, the DeWalt electric blower. Let's try this thing. Okay, that did help a little bit. Again, the DeWalt electric blower. Not sponsored, but you know, DeWalt is looking. Always available for sponsorship. All right, next some manual cleaning. Speaking of sponsorship, Everspring. It's tough on dirt, grease, and grime. Okay, I'll stop now. Okay, lots of dirt, lots of dirt. Now I'm regretting not covering these up. Should have covered these up. Oh well. I feel like being outside, I'm gonna encounter so much stuff in the air anyway. I think I have to do these one at a time. First clean, then paint. I think I'll do that. So first clean, then paint, and then clean paint, clean paint. Because I feel like these are gonna get dirty real quick. Well, let's do the worst ones first, I guess. The most dirty ones. Ollie's actually behind the camera over here. He's actually walked on these before. Not the metal, but the wood. It's got good balance. Okay, let's try one more. Okay, this one's pretty good. Let's try the next guy. This one was also the top one. Hey, buddy. How's it going? Okay, also got some stickers to take off. I need this stuff called Goo Gone for that. So by the way, happy 4th of July. It's the 4th of July, and it's kind of hot. Not terrible. It's actually nice weather. I brought out some lemonade, so cheers. Good stuff. I actually make this with margarita mix and this like seltzer. It's got a little flavor in it too. It's pretty good. You might have heard some squawking earlier. That's because I'm right next to this thing. There's a bunch of little birds in there. Can't hear them now, but their mom usually comes by and then feeds them, so that's why it's loud. Anyway, happy 4th again. And I'm gonna get back to washing these things. Here I go. What? Buddy? What do you want? Ollie's demanding something. No clue what. Good. Whoa. What, buddy? What do you want? What do you want? Weirdo. Now he's on this side. Ollie, what do you want? What? Oh, buddy. Come up here. Pause. Good. Wait. No. Paw. Oh boy. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. I get it. I get it. He's frustrated. Yeah, he wants me to play with him or something. Okay. Looks pretty good. I just have to take off these stickers. Got two? Yeah, two stickers. Take them off first. Nope, three. One more. Oh yeah, three, because there were three large pieces, so three. Let's see, can I take you off? Nope. Leaves behind stuff. I hate these kind of stickers. I wish they made those kind of plastic stickers. Those come off really nice. Okay, I'm gonna get that stuff I mentioned. Gooby Gone or something like that. So this is the stuff I was talking about. This Goo Gone stuff. So I'm gonna try this. Actually, first let's just remove the sticker, or try to, as best as we can. These rip though. Yeah, see, like that. Oh. So that's the best we can do there. And then spray this. Give me that. Just like that. You can let it soak in a little bit. It should just like dissolve the glue. I usually help it out with my fingernail. There we go. That's better. It's not bad. Okay, let's see. Pretty good. Let's see if I can feel it. That's still a little bit. Okay, I think it's gone now. I think it's gone. Okay, now just some Windex. Clean it up. Okay, I think that's good. Let's do the next one. Okay, back for more cleaning action. This time we got a microfiber towel. Hopefully that should help. Okay, that's working pretty well. This time I'm using Windex. Hoping this stuff doesn't leave that much residue. Ideally, I'd be cleaning this stuff with alcohol or something. But why waste the alcohol? Okay. Two down. What I'm noticing is these get stuff rained on them, like little pine needles or things like that, just land on them all the time, even within the span of like 5-10 minutes. So I can't have that. That's why I have the electric blower. So I'll blow these off and then paint, and blow these off and then paint. So I think I'll do that. But I think I can clean them because they're not going to get like dirty. They're just going to be dusty, essentially. Which might also not be a big deal. As long as they're pretty clean. The primer should adhere. That should be that. Primer is like a glue as far as I know. Man, all this effort for my neighbors to have a great view of the painted roof. I will not see this really. But it should be worth it. I'll see the underside. Maybe I should do a better job on the underside. Okay, it's looking pretty good. Oh, I see some more goo. I forgot some goo on this guy. I'll clean it first and then I'll remove the goo. Okay, that looks good. Next is that guy. Okay, pretty good. One more. Okay, I think that does it. Okay, good one. Okay, finally we've got this guy here. A little piece of goop. Let's use the Gooby Gone stuff. Okay, let's use the other side. Clean this off. I think that'll work. It's off colored, but it's not there anymore. Huh. Weird. Doesn't matter. Oh no, it is there. This stuff is a little worse than I thought. Okay, let's keep going with the other side. Like hardened up or something. Oh, weird. Okay, that's good enough. Okay. Now what? Now paint. Yeah. Let's get everything ready. Okay, so I'm going to be using two things here to paint. My primer kills 2 all-purpose interior exterior primer. So yeah, we'll give this a try. And my dinky paint gun, but this thing works. It's just a corded one, less than $100, and it's got this little paint jug thing holder. It's got some other nozzles too, but this is the one that I've used and it works fine. Yeah, you'll see it in action. It works pretty well. Doesn't cover maybe as much as some other ones, maybe, but for what I use, it works just fine. So yeah, let's get to it. It's quite windy today. That was the brush and the Windex. Okay, let's try transferring into this. Need some water in here. Left over from when I cleaned the gun, the paint gun. Okay, let's try and transfer this, and let's make a big mess now. We're probably gonna make a mess. I don't have a great way to transfer this, but it's okay if we make a mess here. So let's try it. Okay, not bad. I'll take it. Let's do this. Let's use my rag. And wipe off the excess here. Ooh. Back here is a lot. Whoops. Oh, this doesn't matter if it gets painted. I actually want this painted. Okay, let's get cleaned up here though. Just have to remember not to stand here. I can leave this like this for now. And I'm gonna go wash my hands real quick. first put that on here. Am I doing it the right way? Other way? I'm not sure. This way. Okay. That's ready for action. Gonna clean up first and then I'll be right back. Okay, let's do these one at a time, like I said. So maybe this one first. Okay. I don't want the cord to touch. Okay, let's do that. Okay, let's see what we got. See what we got. And there's already something on it. Shoo. All right. Oh, this is going to be annoying. Let's see. See how annoying. Okay, not too bad. It's going. I just need to get out of here without touching this thing. Let's go down the middle. Looks pretty good. Okay, I'm happy with that. Let's do the next guy. Maybe I'll do all the ones up front or up here first. And then I'll go switch to the back row. So I don't want the cord to get caught on anything. It's already getting caught enough. Okay. We could use a little bit more room, actually. Yeah, and let's use the blower. Okay. Whoa. Okay, so far so good. I think that's good. Now turn around and let's do this guy. Oh, my back. Okay, wait, I don't have enough room on. I'm gonna move this guy over. Maybe like that. Okay, almost halfway done. So basically halfway done, all right? Hooray! Halfway done. How much paint is there in this? I may need a refill. I think I need a refill. Okay, let's use the blower again, get these nice and clean. Start on this side again. Let's go. Now this side. Okay, I think that got it. Now this guy. Oh, my back's gonna be killing me after this. The first one looks dry already, actually. Second one, I can still see a sheen on it. They probably dry quick in this weather. It's like 80 degrees right now. Okay, next guy. I saw a touch somewhere back here. There it is. Okay. I think I need more room here again. Just move this over a little bit. That's good. Okay. Okay, that looks pretty good. There's crud falling on this, but it's drying so fast. I think it's not sticking, or maybe it is, I'm not sure. We'll wipe it down again before we do the actual color. Although the actual color is black, so it's not really going to be visible. All right, next up. Woohoo! Done. Okay. Well, one side. One side is done. It's actually a lot of work. Oh. Even with the paint pen. Okay. I'll let this dry. And what is that? It's like a little wet spot over there. I'm gonna check it out. Is that just the paint? Hopefully. Is that the place I had the sticker? I hope not, but we'll wait to see. Yeah, that's it for now. I'm gonna have to wait a little bit until these are dry and then I'll flip them over. But I'm not sure if I'm gonna be doing that the rest of the day, because it is Independence Day, July 4th. So I might do some stuff for fun. Hey, happy 4th. Just wanted to show you my setup here. Proof of concept anyway. The Wi-Fi back here is not too great, so this is pausing a little bit, but I'll do it through my phone later. Right now I just got it hooked up to this little, it's a little stick. There's a little Amazon thing. And it's running Tubi, so it's running Independence Day through Tubi. I think maybe Tubi doesn't work too well, I'm not sure. Anyway, I just wanted to show you this setup real quick. Let me show you what's going on here. But I've got my projector here, and it's an Epson. It's on a little stand here. And I've got it hooked up to the Jackery. So the Jackery is powering both the projector and the little Amazon stick. So you can see here movies running, completely wireless right now. This isn't much for the Jackery actually. The Jackery is capable of doing much more. I'll have a separate little Oh, hey, happy 4th. Those are the neighbors. So yeah, I'll have a separate video on the Jackery Explorer 1000. This is the V2, I think, a little later, and I'll show you its real capabilities. But yeah, just wanted to show you the little setup I got going on for the 4th, and we'll be enjoying Independence Day a little later. All right, bye. Here's where we are with the firewood storage shed right now. Still got to do the roof. The roof's been primed, but we still got a little bit to go. These tiki torches help fend the mosquitoes away. They're primed with citronella. All right, well, there's the rest of the yard. It's a little bit of a mess right now. We're laying seeding grass. Hey, is this guy? All right, now for real. Signing out for today. Bye.